Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. Today I want to talk about the tight fit drill bit kit from Snap-on, distributed under the Bluepoint brand. This is not a kit you're going to use all the time. The reason it comes fresh to mind is because we just had to use it yesterday on a custom install that we were doing. So when you're using a right angle drill with a stranded drill bit, that's about as tight as you can get it. Even if you were to put a drill bit into your screwdriver, still only saves you about an inch. With this kit, it saves a considerable amount of space, and we would have had to take the whole project apart yesterday just to drill the hole to where the fastener was going to line up. So look how much space it saves you. We're talking 2.5 inches versus 5-6 inches. It's not something you're going to use all the time. You add it to a standard drill. It comes in a nice little kit, but it's definitely a problem solver. It saved us at least a couple hours yesterday. Comes in a nice case with all the popular sizes. And then it also, if you need an extra long drill bit, you can add that on as well. So it gets you in tight to reach places, and it also gets you in places where you wouldn't be able to reach at all with a standard drill, and still maintains a low profile. Look at that. Works really good. I've had this kit for years. I mean, easily has to be 10 years I've had this kit. I've only used it a few times, but the times that I did use it, I was happy I had it. It's not a kit you can be using all the time. It's not crazy expensive. I think it's $100 and something. I'll put the link below. I'd recommend trying it. Thank you. See you next week.